Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the window on this 2004 Volvo S80. Check it out guys, this window fell off the track and it shattered. So the first thing we got to do is remove the door panel so we could get to the mechanism and change the window. Start by removing this cover. Get yourself one of these trim tools and they just pop out. Next we're going to pop this off. Next we're going to remove this screw and this screw in here. These are TORX, and use a T25 like this one, okay? Next, remove this cover from the door handle here. And there's another screw right there. Next, you want to remove this plastic piece. Do it gently, you don't want to break it. Next, you're going to pop these clips. They run all the way around the bottom of the door panel on the sides. And these guys are just going to push this in and they pop out. Next, pull the panel away from the door. Make sure it clears this. And then go up. This one must be stuck because I have like tape around it. There you go. Disconnects the tweeter. You just push down on this, push out. These wires disconnect the same way. Just push down on this little tab and pull out. Like this one. Next, peel this part off. Just do it gently so you don't rip it apart. Remove this cover. Right. Now you have access to this. Okay, so see this? It's supposed to have a clip like this. So if you still have the clip in place, just pull out this metal piece and then it should slide out. So this is supposed to be attached to the window. If you look inside here, you probably see the rest of the plastic piece someplace. That's the other piece down there. So we need to raise the window somehow to get that piece off. But this window should come right out actually, because it's not attached to anything. Next, remove this rubber piece. It just pulls up. Now you can pull out the window. All right, this clip is missing. This one's still here, but it's broken, of course. These are notorious for breaking. So next, we attach the wires to the door panel, and you want to lift this regulator up so you have access to the two clips, one there and this one there. Okay. All right, guys. With a pair of pliers, just remove this clip. All right. Now you can pop this off. Lubricate this channel over here so the window doesn't get stuck again, and break those clips. Same thing on this side and down here. Okay, that's your old busted up window. This is a new one. Just make sure they match before you put them in. Okay, grease up the tracks, and if this glue that holds this track in place is in the way, just cut a little bit of it off. Maybe you want to grease up these guys, and you're just going to slide them in place. Okay. All right. Let's say you're ready to put this back on. Okay, make sure the window is in this track on both sides, okay? All right, guys, so this is going to go into here. So just slide behind it. Okay, plug the wires back in and we're gonna test it, make sure it goes up and down smoothly. And you can see how this clip works. It just slides in that track. All right. Okay, now you can slide this piece in place. That just goes between the window and the door. And just shove it in there. Okay. Plug this back in. Okay, make sure you pop this cover in place, put on the foam. This little piece is gonna slide into this hole. And now you're gonna hang it from the top first. Get in there. There you go. Put this cover on. There, pop this cover back on. All right, these clips, you just push them out and then put them in and then pop it. There you go. All right, guys, that's how you change the window on the Volvo S80. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.